Hello students, my name is Dr. Praveen Tripathi. I'm a faculty of psychiatry and the author of the book Review of Psychiatry. So, less than 100 days are left and most of us are feeling the heat. The exams are around the corner. Every day I get up, I open my Facebook and my messenger is flooded with messages from students across the country. Most of the messages are about the same topic. The students are saying that, "Sir, I feel that I would not be able to clear the exam this time. Sir, I am feeling burned out. Sir, I am feeling tired. Sir, what to do now?" A large number of you are feeling either depressed, demotivated, or anxious is a fact. And it is great news. Yes, you heard me right. I am saying that the fact that most of you are feeling depressed, anxious, or disappointed is a great news. Why? Let me explain. See, students, entrance examination is all about one thing. It is about being better than the others, irrespective of how much you know. If you do not know more than others, you would not clear it. So, this is the time when we have another opportunity of going past others. Let me elaborate. Till now, it's been 8-9 months of preparation. Most of you have been studying and your preparation has reached a certain level. Now is the time when some of you would be able to continue with your studies and others would gradually start dropping out. People start giving up during these last 3 months. People start feeling anxious, some of them become too depressed, some of them become sure that the exam cannot be cleared this time, and gradually these people keep on getting out of the race. Now this is the differentiating factor I am talking about. If at this moment of time, if at this point of time you are able to continue with your studies, you are able to keep yourself motivated, you would automatically get past a large number of students who would be gradually dropping from this race. So just by ensuring that you continue to study, you get a great advantage, a huge advantage. And when I say students start dropping out, students start giving up on their preparation, I'm not only talking about only those students whose preparation are at a bad stage. Even students who have studied hard, who have studied well, and who have been performing fine also feel these negative emotions and they give up. So this is the time to get past a large number of students. Another thing, students, it is extremely important to time your preparation well. When you go to the examination center on the date of the exam and when you open that paper, you would realize that a good chunk of those questions would be asked from the topics or from the subjects that you read in the last 1.5 or 2 months. Now, the fact that the examination is quite factual puts a lot of stress on our memory, and things that we have read in the last 1.5 or 2 months, they are relatively fresh in our minds and we are able to answer those questions correctly. That is why we say that you have to time your preparation well and you have to accelerate at the end of the preparation. So this is the time when you have to accelerate, when you have to put your best foot forward, when you have to put the maximum number of hours in the preparation. So again, a large number of students are feeling disappointed and anxious, and those who are able to time their preparation correctly at this juncture would have a huge advantage. So this is the reason why I say it's a blessing in disguise. Everybody is feeling clueless, and those who are able to ensure that they are able to keep a cooler head on their shoulders and who are able to continue with the preparation, and not only continue, accelerate it, they would have a huge advantage over other students. So if thoughts like these are coming in your mind, that I am too tired, I am feeling the burnout, I cannot study anymore, just throw those thoughts into the dustbin. You don't have the luxury of those thoughts. Students, 10 years later, when you are in your mid-30s or early 30s, you would sit down one fine day and you would ponder about the stuff that happened in your life. And whether you would call yourself a success on that day or a failure on that day would depend quite a lot upon what will happen in the next 3 months. So if these 3 months are going to determine the rest of your life, ensure that you put your best foot forward, ensure that you perform to the best of your capabilities, and ensure that when you look back at this time, you have a smile on your face and not a sad emotion. So continue studying, students, increase your efforts, put more hours, and trust me, it would all be worth it. I hope you don't give up, and I hope you continue to march ahead. Thank you. God bless.